Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've ever struggled to save those shared documents from WhatsApp chats on your PC, especially with the latest update, you're in the right place. WhatsApp's new desktop app makes it super easy to grab docs like PDFs, Word files, or spreadsheets without the hassle. No more forwarding or downloading one by one. Let's dive into the quick steps to save them all at once. First things first, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's the latest version so you get all these shiny new features. Once it's open, look to the left side menu. You'll spot a media icon there. It's usually the little image or paperclip looking one. Give that a click and boom, you're in the shared media gallery. Now, scroll or search for your docs. Click on the Docs tab at the top to filter just the documents. This keeps things tidy, no mixing up photos or videos. Found the ones you need? Perfect. At the top of the window, hit the select icon. It's that checkbox or dotted square button. Now, you can tap on each doc you want to save. Pro tip, hold Control to pick multiples without selecting everything, or just check them off one by one. Once you've got your selection, look for the Save as icon up top. Again, it's like a little floppy disk or download arrow. Click that and a Save dialog pops up. Choose your favorite folder like Documents or Desktop, name the files if you want, and hit Save. WhatsApp will zip through, downloading them right to your PC. Done. They'll be organized and ready for editing or sharing elsewhere. This update is a game changer for work files from group chats or client shares. It saves so much time. If you're on Windows or Mac, it works the same way. Just a heads up, shared docs need to be from your chats and storage space matters for big batches. There you have it, saving WhatsApp docs on PC in under a minute. Try it next time you're buried in shared files. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more app tips, and drop a comment if you hit any snags. Catch you in the next one.